Hello guys, today I'm going to show you on how to crack password using Rainbow. My name is Rash and I'm a certified ethical hacker. So let's start beginning. But first, before I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, we'll be uploading on most of the videos for ethical hacking for those of you who will need to pursue into further careers. So you've been hearing about Rainbow is a form of a dictionary attack. You can basically use for cracking hash password, especially the SHA-1, the SHA-256, and MD5 hash passwords. So first of all, I want you to run this command, the Rainbow. That's the run crack. Okay, command with space and then period. And as you can see, it's showing us help option menu for the Rainbow crack command with different parameters over here. As you can see, you may need to specify the path. The path for our Rainbow is always located at this directory, that is the user slash share slash rainbow slash crack. Basically, this is where you can also operate from. For example, if I ls under this directory, you realize that I've got some text file ranging from the character.txt, the Rainbow crack command itself, the readme description, and RT to RTC, that's basically for conversion. We are going to see about this much later on. And then the most important one is the RT gen, that is basically for use for generating Rainbow tables. And as you can see from this point of view, I've already generated one of the Rainbow table I will basically use. I'm going to show you how this is basically happening. But first of all, as I told you, you basically need to generate a Rainbow table before you start cracking any hash password. So first of all, let's just have some list of hash password. For example, I will start creating some out of here. So I'll open my leaf pad and I'm going to insert some of the hash password. For example, let's generate some of the hash password that we may need to use. I want you to type this command. Echo is basically a command for displaying. I want you to use the -n option to basically mean it should not be displayed from the terminal. And then I want us to create a hash function for this word. Let's say, for example, all, and let's pass it or pipe it to SHA-1 sum, because I basically created a Rainbow table using the SHA-1 algorithm. So I will create a SHA-1 sum to generate an hash function for someone of the word all. So if I basically run this command, you will see I've already generated an hash function, and this is the hash. I will basically copy it and paste it to our notepad or the leaf pad here and paste it. I will also create another hash function. Let's say first of all, I basically create a hash function using a 4-letter keyword. As you can see from the description, it should only be able to crack password starting from 4 letters and above. So I will just again repeat the same procedure, but I will use the keyword. Let's say it is a word of any. No, that's 3-word function. Let's say all. I'm assuming there is a password that is looking something like that. So if I run that command, there is the hash function. So I will copy it and paste it to our leaf pad. So I will delete this one and then I will paste it. I will also try to create another password. Let's say a 4-letter word. So for example, let's say Rash. That's basically my name. I will create an hash function. I'm assuming that's a password. So this is the hash password of the word Rash. So I'll copy it and paste it in my notepad or the leaf pad if you like it. Any of them can do, and then paste it. So let me just save this file. So basically, we've got 2 hash function we basically want to crack, and I will copy it and paste it at my root directory. It's okay. Let me just paste it. Let me just save it at my desktop, and I will call it hash.txt. Having saved that password, those hash password, I will come now and show you how to basically create a Rainbow table. We are going to use this command, which is rgen and then space period. So basically, this is a Rainbow table generation command. As you can see, it has an array. So this is basically the usage, the command, the rainbow table generation, and then the hash algorithm should be specified at this point of view. And then also you may need to specify the character set, and then the plain text length, and the maximum plain text, and then the table index, and the chain length, and the chain number. It's basically you have been given an example of generating from this point of view. So I decided we are going to create a rainbow table using the SHA algorithm, SHA1. All right, and you may want to ask me what are some of the character set we may use for generating a rainbow table. So that's why I told you to open this this directory that's at the under the /root/user/share/rainbow table. So in ILS you can see you have got a text which is basically the character.txt. So you may need to open that using a libpad also. Libpad is one of the best editors I like using, so I will open it again using the libpad, and let's see some of the character sets that are supported with the rainbow generation. So first of all, we have got numeric. That means it can be able to generate words starting from 0 to 9. We have got the alpha. That means it can generate the capital values starting from A to Z. Alphanumeric is a mixture of both text characters and numbers. As you can see, we have got a lower alpha that basically is going to generate words starting from the lowercase letters, and the low alphanumeric, lowercase letter together with the numbers. Mixed alpha, the same thing. Mixed alphanumeric, the same thing. Basically generating words using the American Standard Code of International Interchange. This one, as you can see, it basically can be able to generate a list of words together with non-supported the additional word. Like this one, most of the people like creating their characters using non-text values such as stuff. So it can be able to generate a list of password characters using everything across your keyboard. You may also need to use that, but for today I decided we are going to use the lowercase character generation, the lower alpha cases, to basically generate our rainbow table. So how are we going to generate our rainbow table? So I'm going to write a command like rtgenerate. Basically I'm going to generate using the SHA1 algorithm. As you can see, they are basically supported. The SHA1 algorithm is one of the algorithms that is basically supported. Under our libpad, maybe the character set, those are some of the character set that are basically supported. So to show you some of the algorithms that can be supported at this point of view, I want you to open this text file using also libpad, the readme.txt file. And if you can see this file down here, I show you various ways of basically running the rainbow table command and the rest. It's basically supported by Windows 7, 8, and 10 etc. You can go through this if you really like it, but because of time I am going to just make a quick preview about the readme. Is basically how the rainbow table is going to function. So I'm going to show you that basically the rainbow generation can support generating a rainbow table using the SHA1, SHA256, MD5. You can also generate some using new technology, local area network mechanism. This is basically for Windows and also the LM. So today I'm going to generate a rainbow table using the SHA1. So I'm going to write my hash algorithm to be SHA1, and the character set will be lower. I decided I'm going to use the lower alpha. That's one of the available character set as we saw from our character.txt. I'm going to set a plain text minimum length. I'm going to set it to 4. You can set it to 1 wherever you want, starting from 1 letter, but I'm basically generating one starting from 4 letters. And I'm also ending with a 4-letter word. It could be 8 letters, so you could generate at the age of 8, but I want to generate 4 just to make my rainbow table very easier. And I'm also going to give it a table index of 0 and a chain length. That is, I want to generate like 100,000 out of the 4 letters keywords. So I'm going to write 100,000, and I'm also going to give it a chain length of 100,000, and I'm going to give it a part index, that's the starting point, is 0. It could be of any value. So you can run this command and you will see that you are going to generate a SHA-1 rainbow table. As you can see down here, I've already created one, so it's going to take a little bit of time. So I already created one, so you can run the above command. After that, the next thing you need to basically do after creating your RB table is to sort out your table. So the basically way you are going to sort out your table, you have got a command which is called rt sort. So I'm going to create a command. I'm going to run the command, the rt sort command, to sort out my rainbow table. And if I run it like this, I say I basically have to give it period because I'm not located at that point, so as to recognize. So as you can see, it's saying it went and sort out my SHA-1 lower alpha 444, the rainbow table already created, and it's showing me the size of byte of memory allocated for this rainbow table, loaded, sort data, and everything has been sorted. So that means I can be in a position to be able to now use my rainbow table to crack the passwords. The next thing we may need to do is basically crack our hash password. So basically I'd save it at my desktop, so I will navigate to my desktop, slash at the root slash desktop slash root slash desktop. That's where we save our hash password, ls, and you have got a text file which is called hash.txt. So we basically want to crack this password. So again, if I run the rcrack from this command with a period, you basically see it giving you an option of using the -l option to basically load the hashes that I basically want to crack, and it's going to recognize that it's going to use my SHA-1 RP, the SHA lower alpha table I've already created before. So we're going to run the command rcrack -l to basically load, and then hash value, that is the hash.txt. And if I run this command, basically I need to specify the period to basically locate it, and it's showing us no hash was basically found out of that table. So let me just open that table and say hash.txt. So we have got some hash functions, so maybe we can try and crack one by one. Basically I will just copy maybe the first hash function first, and I will try to exit. So I'm going to run rcrack and then the period, and then minus I want to load the hash function. This is the hash I want to basically break, and if I load the file, as you can see, start loading one hash function. I want to crack this hash function using brute force, using my table I've already generated, that's the SHA-1 alpha root table. So this is going to take some time, so I'm going to pause the video for a while. Wow, now guys, as you can see, we have been able to crack our hash password, that is as you can see above here, and it also takes around 261 seconds to crash the password using our rainbow table. The table, the rainbow table, it basically uses around 1600 bytes. It read through all the file. The plain text value is this one, and the name is Rash, as you see we were able to generate, and this is the exact value of it. So thank you guys for watching the video, and come back, we are going to prepare some more for you. Thank you, see you.